Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar. Today I would like to speak how to overcome backlog subject of 3-year LLB and 5-year LLB of KSLU, means Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. There will be a course of 5-year course and 3-year course. There will be a huge backlog subjects which can going to get pass. So that is the reason many of the students have been requested in my YouTube channel that please do or make video how to overcome backlog subjects. So that is the reason today I am here to presenting the topic. I am going to give very good tips that how to overcome your backlog subjects, especially in the previous semesters. I will start with first semester. For first semester, especially for fresher who are all going to join, I am requesting them to study well. And first semester means first semester itself they have to get pass all the subjects. We need to put put efforts to achieve or pass in the first semester itself. Otherwise, it is difficult for again second semester if comes. If you have backlog of first semester, you will get demotivated that you cannot able to pass LLB. So that will be happens. So that is the reason I am requesting all of them who are all joining first semester, especially this year, please study well and try to complete in the first semester itself. This video is meant for those who have backlog of previous semesters. So happened is happened. We cannot buy the past, but we can create the present, and you cannot future also. You cannot buy the future also. We can buy the present now. Whichever you have time, you have to use properly of the time so that you can able to get pass. The thing is that only you require dedication to pass, and you should have passion to study. You should have eager to get the knowledge. Who are all has backlog of previous semesters need not to worry. The first and foremost tip is we should not get tension. If you take tension, definitely you cannot able to pass even present semesters also. In the first semester, you have a backlog of 5 subjects. You have backlog of 4 subjects. You need not to worry. Then second semester, you have to concentrate thoroughly to pass. Previous semester, you need not to worry. In the present semester, what you do is try to concentrate on more and more and get it pass. Then again third semester will come. In that time, what you will do is, first semester there will be a backlog subjects of 4 to 5. What to do is, along with your third semester subjects, there will be a 5 subjects in the third semester. What you will do is, you opt only 2 to 3 subjects. Means it should not exceed at a time 8 subjects to write the examination. If you cross or beyond more than 8 subjects, it will ruin your mind that you cannot able to pass all the subjects. Even present semester also you are going to get failed. So that is the reason my advice is to, first semester you have a backlog of 4 to 5 subjects or 3 subjects, 2 subjects or 1 subject, whatever. In second semester, you need not to worry about first semester. Second semester, you have to pass all the subjects. 5 subjects, you have to pass it. Then third semester will come, you will opt for 5 subjects. 5 subjects will be there in the third semester. What you do is, in the third semester, you have to take backlog, you have to pay fees for 2 to 3 subjects. It should not more than 8 subjects. At a time you can able to write 8 subjects. If beyond that 8 subjects, you cannot able to pass, because all the subjects or the toughest subjects, so you cannot able to pass. Then again you will come for fourth semester. What to do is, if you have backlog of second semester, what you do is fourth semester there will be a repeater examinations along with that fourth semester. Second semester, whichever you have backlog, then you have to opt for 2 to 3 subjects. Not more than 5 plus 3 should not exceed 4 subjects. So that you can get pass very easily if you have little dedication. LLB is difficult also and easy also. The thing is that how we take positively, that is required. So if you have the positive mindset that you can able to pass, definitely you can able to pass. Only thing is the little bit effort is required. Effort means at least 1 or 2 hours you have to spend each a day. So that is required for everybody students. So my advice is to, like that you have to get pass. Then I will tell next, like you will come to fifth semester. Fifth semester there will be a 4 subjects. So apart from that, whichever you have backlog, you have to opt for 3, maximum 3, not more than that. If you failed, again you have written failed, need not to worry, you will get pass. Only thing is that I told you, dedication is required to get pass. Then, so like that, if you plan to do it, definitely you can overcome your backlog subjects. Backlog subjects is very much a huge headache for our LLB students. That should be overcome through this method. So if you follow this method, definitely we will going to get pass. As you all know, I have given nearly 100 videos of in my YouTube channel. Please go through each and every video so that you will get to know idea about how to write examination, how to manage the time, how to solve the problems, how to solve illustrations. There are many videos have been given in Kannada and as well in English, so that you can get benefited those videos. My intention is to everybody to be get pass in the KSLU exams. So everybody has to get pass and everybody should be get a good professional in our nation. So that is my motto. That is the reason I have started this YouTube channel. So please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT, so that you will get good videos, how to score in LLB exams, how to overcome your examination fears. So many videos I will be giving. So, and one more thing, my advice is to please at least minimum 2 hours a day if you spend for LLB, it is very easy. Those who are writing in Kannada medium student and those who are writing English medium, that doesn't matter how you are presenting, that is very important in the examination. Please do well. So as I told you, please don't take too much at a time. Don't take like 10 subjects, 15 subjects to write at a time. So you cannot write it, because our mind can be digested only few, means 5 subject is the present writing, and as well as 3 subjects for the previous semester subjects you can able to write. So that if you follow like this, you can able to get pass. And even as I told you, notes, you have to write your own notes. You have to what you do is previous question papers, 5 to 6 paper, 6 years of question papers, you have to take it, and you have to collect it from your college or university or website. It is available. You can take it from those question papers. For that question papers you have to write questions, you have to write, for that you have to write answers, so that you will have. And writing skills also is very important in the examinations. Because of lack of writing itself, our students are going to get fail in the KSLU examination. You will have a 3 hours of time. If you can't able to manage 3 hours of time, with all questions has to be attempted. Without, if you leave one questions also, you will lose the marks. So that is the reason my advice is to please do prepare well. As per my videos, I have given plenty of videos about time management, about how to write examinations and how to present in the examinations, how to manage the time of each questions. I have given really practical experience for any kind of video for KSLU. With my practical experience only, I am expressing my thoughts and views. Even earlier, yesterday, I have conducted for one seminar for all LLB students how to score and how to pass LLB examinations. And next upcoming after 15 days, I'm going to conduct like webinar. Like that webinar, I will plan to conduct how to overcome these backlog subjects. Once again, I will come with you all in the live session, so that you can ask frequently your questions, what you are facing, how you have backlog, that and all you can able to explain with the practical, so that other more than that experienced students also will be available in my YouTube channel. They can also give their thoughts, views and all, so that you can come out of fear of your backlog subjects. My motto is to motivate everybody, students, to get pass. My motto is that. So I hope this video will be going to get benefit how to overcome your exams. So if you prepare well, if you dedicate for some time to pass LLB subject, definitely you can able to pass within the time bound period. You can able to pass. You won't lose any eligibility criteria in the university examinations. I hope. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for being cooperated this channel. Those who have been subscribed, I am very thankful to all, because more than 1300 subscribers in my channel now. So if you keep on doing like this, more and more subscribers will be happened, means they will also going to get benefit my all videos. It is very helpful to you all. Once again, thank you very much.